guys, it's the Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a Saturday project. We're doing a DIY on our countertops using a product by the name of Giani's. It comes in a kit, and what we're doing is basically redoing the countertops. The kit shows directions and give you all the products you need to turn a white countertop into a marble countertop. It comes in several different patterns and colors. So this particular pattern we had and colors that we had on it previously had been on it for a few years, and so it was time to upgrade it and do a refresher base. So right now I'm just putting a black solid base on it first, starting out, and then we will go over it. You there? We'll go over it with a second, I think it's 3 or 4 steps, but we have to let this dry for 8 hours first, and then we will come back and go over it with 3 different applications to create the marble look. Okay, I will be coming back again once I finish and let you guys see the finished project and the product that we use in this packaging. Okay, thanks for watching DIY. Bye.